Hey, what's up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. And today I have a super exciting video. I got a Kindle, you guys. I'm super excited. Today's actually Mother's Day. This is my Mother's Day gift, you guys, and I've been wanting this for such a long time and I cannot believe it is here. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Kindle Paperwhite. I did get it in the 8GB. I do believe that they have the Kindle e-reader in 16 and 32. I didn't think that I needed that much memory, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get an 8GB. This is my first ever e-reader, so I'm really not sure what to expect. This is my first tablet in general. I'm a laptop girl, so if you guys have been a long-time subscriber and you can scroll all the way down, I've gone through many laptops, from HPs to MacBooks, but never tablets. Never had a tablet, never had an iPad, never had any of that. So this is super exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna take everything out. So here's how the Kindle looks. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot believe it. It's so it's so tiny. It's so lightweight. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go take the tape off in a minute. Let me see what else comes in the packaging. Let's open this. This is the charger. Very cool. I don't know if it comes with the USB block. I don't see one in here. Thank goodness I already have one. I'm gonna tell you stuff about the Kindle. Let me go ahead and open this. Yeah, a little bit of information. Okay, put that back in there. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Do this. Oh my gosh, and I like how the screen is very matte. I don't know if you guys could tell. It is like a matte finish, which I'm a fan of. I know like iPhones is like a very glossy screen and our iPad's a very glossy screen. So if you guys are reading, and I love it, it is very matte. I'm gonna show you guys an accessory I did get. You cannot have a Kindle without a cover. And you guys know me, your girl is accident prone, so I cannot buy nothing, no type of phone, no type of anything without getting a case. So I definitely ordered a case. And for those of you who also know, purple is my favorite color, so I got a purple case right there. If you guys want the link to this case and the link to the Kindle that I purchased, I will put in the description box. So I will be putting the Kindle in here. Oh, this is super cute. I love the velvet. And if you want the actual Kindle case from Kindle, I do believe they are selling that. I'll put that in the description box as well. But I did get this one from a different seller. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the case. Oh my gosh, yeah, I could scream. Oh my gosh, look how freaking cute. Period. Okay, so let me see what I'm supposed to do with this. Let me see, how do I turn it on? I like this. Oh my gosh, it's coming on. Tell me you haven't had a tablet without telling me you've never had a tablet. So, okay, what am I supposed to do? All right, English. I'm good. I'm gonna watch. You guys can see me set it up. English, United States. Oh my gosh, this is like, I'm gonna be reading everything, y'all. I'm gonna be reading everything. I'm gonna have to edit so much out this because this is literally almost 5 minutes and I'm just running my mouth. So anyways, here's the Kindle. I don't even have to buy a screen protector because I wanted to get a case that covers this, so I won't have to get a screen protector, because if you guys know me, my screen protectors be busted. Like, I drop my phone so dang much, it's cracked, shattered. Okay, wait, it's still loading. all right. This is like, and it's not big or nothing. Like, it's just like so much more compact. All right, let's go. Okay, set up with your phone. Don't have the app. Download Amazon Kindle for iOS or Android. Set up with your phone. Okay guys, so I went ahead and set it up. I'm super excited. So I did already download the Bible, which I need to start reading a lot more than I currently am. But if you guys have any book suggestions or any book recommendations, please leave them in the comment box. I'm just now a new reader. I've loved reading in the past, but I've never read like religiously and like every single day. Like I would read something and then I would forget about it, and then it'll be like months and years and I just never finished the book. So this is gonna force me to do it. But you guys, this is the best gift, you guys, best Mother's Day gift to myself. I've been wanting one, so I was like, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna get it, and I love it right now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I did download the Kindle app on iPhone. I do have an iPhone 11 purple, so I can match, and I did get the app, and that's how I was able to Bluetooth connect it from my phone to the Kindle. So if I don't know if I'm gonna find books on here on my phone, either way. I might just, now that it's Bluetooth, I will find it on my Kindle. You guys, I'm super excited that it's set up. I'm gonna go ahead and tap this. Oh, it's downloading. Ready to open. Oh my gosh, opening. I'm gonna be excited about this for like a long time. I have to get the hang of this. Oh, look at you guys, Genesis. This is like, I love it, y'all. If you haven't got your one, come up here and get you one of these. 81st Deli, y'all. It's a chicken salad. But y'all, like, I'm so excited. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Go ahead and hit the bell so you guys don't miss any future uploads, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.